Our oceans are full of various environmental pollutants, and fish act as concentrators of these pollutants. Small fish eat contaminated plankton and algae, and as large fish eat these smaller fish, pollutants become concentrated. Therefore, the higher a fish is on the food chain, such as tuna, swordfish, and sharks, the higher the concentration of pollutants. Since humans are at an even higher level of the food chain than these large fish, we can be exposed to the greatest amount of pollutants. In particular, fetuses and breastfed infants can suffer the most damage due to the mother's fish consumption. Mercury is designated as one of the world's most dangerous chemicals. In fish, mercury exists in the form of methylmercury, which is highly toxic. People with high mercury levels have a 2 times higher risk of developing heart disease. Mercury acts as a toxin to the nervous system and kidneys, and it can accelerate arteriosclerosis by promoting arterial damage. Some studies show that mercury exposure increases the risk of developing diabetes by 65%. The methylmercury in fish can offset all the benefits of omega-3 fatty acids. The enormous amount of plastic waste we throw away pollutes the ocean, and it is returning to our dinner tables. The Great Pacific Garbage Patch is 50% larger than the state of Texas, and it is estimated that there are 580,000 pieces of plastic per square kilometer. Microplastics are now unavoidable. Plastic breaks down into tiny pieces that look similar to fish feed, and fish and marine mammals eat them. Plastics contain toxic carcinogens, DEHP, such as lead, cadmium, and mercury, as well as BPA and phthalates, which are substances related to cancer, birth defects, immune system problems, and childhood development issues. In particular, BPA is known as a chemical that disrupts human hormonal functions. According to Dr. Chelsea Rochman's research, higher concentrations of chemicals were found in fish that ate plastic floating in the ocean, and signs of decreased liver function and tumor development even appeared. This is because plastic acts as a sponge that absorbs heavy metals and organic pollutants. Shellfish act as the scavengers of the sea, but they can be just as harmful to us. Shellfish live by eating parasites as well as dead animal skin, sewage, and trash, and because they lack a proper digestive system to filter out toxins and parasites, harmful substances can remain. Shellfish are one of the most common allergenic foods. Eating just 4 to 5 shrimp results in consuming 150 milligrams of cholesterol. Shellfish can transmit various diseases such as E. coli, salmonella, norovirus, and hepatitis A. Many of the fish we eat are raised in fish farms. However, the aquaculture environment can be more dangerous than you might think. Human hormones, such as human chorionic gonadotropin and luteinizing hormone-releasing hormone, LHR, may be administered to induce spawning in fish. These are substances that can cause side effects in humans, such as multiple pregnancies and precocious puberty. Formaldehyde, a carcinogen, or potassium permanganate are used to treat fungal infections in fish eggs, and copper sulfate is used to treat skin and fins. To eliminate small fish and algae in hatcheries, bleach, copper compounds, and oxytetracycline hydrochloride, which can cause antibiotic-resistant bacteria, are used. Mercury in farmed fish feed accumulates in the fish's flesh, and mercury in uneaten feed and excrement flows into the sea and is converted into methylmercury, accelerating ocean pollution.